Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to remove a green screen background in CapCut PC in 2025. Now, CapCut has improved the Chroma key feature that makes removing green and the blue screen backgrounds super quick and clean. So whether you are editing your YouTube videos or any creative shots, let's go through the full process together. So first of all, you need to launch your CapCut desktop application on your desktop. Then you just have to click on the option of new project in order to access this particular dashboard. Now over here, click on the option of import, and then you just have to import your main background video or the image that your green screen clip by clicking on this import option. So as you can see, I have these two imported here in my CapCut account. So this is the video that is with the green screen. So you just have to drag and drop it here in the timeline. So once you have done that, simply just click on this particular video, then go to the top right hand corner of the screen, then go to the remove background option. After that, simply select the option of chroma key. Once you have done that, you are going to find a color picker over here. So you just have to simply select this particular color picker option. After that, you just have to place it over here, just like so, and the green screen of the video will be removed from here. So it is going to look something like this. So once you have done that, you can just simply drag and drop the other image on top of the video that you have just removed the background from. So after that, it is going to look something like this. So this way you will be able to remove a green screen background in CapCut in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.